Hello friends! Вітаю, друзі! I'm Люба. Welcome to my channel where we study Ukrainian together. If you like my lessons, please put a like, вподобайку to this video and subscribe my channel for more exciting and useful lessons. Today, folks, I will teach you how to say the months of the year in Ukrainian. Okay, let's start. Місяці року українською. The months of the year in Ukrainian. What I'd like you to do now is repeat after me. It's quite hard, quite long, and watch my mouth. Січень. Лютий. Березень. Квітень. Травень. Червень, липень, серпень, вересень, жовтень, листопад, грудень, зима, весна, літо, осінь. Now let's repeat them again. Повторимо знову. Repeat one more time. Повторимо ще раз. Січень. Лютий. Березень. Квітень. Травень. Червень. Липень. Серпень, вересень, жовтень, листопад, грудень. Now repeat them on your own, looking at the screen. Can you do that without my help? Now here we go. Дуже добре. Very well. How was that? It's a bit more difficult, I know, friends. And now we are going to repeat them one more time. But we will divide them by seasons, okay? The months in Ukrainian are very different from those in the Roman calendar because they take their origin from pre-Christian times. The names of the months closely follow weather patterns, agricultural and social activities common for a specific part of a season. Зима, winter. Грудень comes from грудка землі, a soil clod. Before roads were covered with asphalt, after autumn rains, roads were tread by wagons. In December, there were soil clods on the roads. Груди, грудки. Because of freezing weather. Січень, January. The real origin of this word is a bit complicated, but it's easy to remember it when you think of the word сікти, to cut into small pieces. Ukrainian snow in Січень is quite painful, as the small snowflakes drop on your face and almost cut it. Brr. Лютий, February. The word лютий means furious, and there is an apparent reason for it. Лютий is the coldest month of the year. Весна, spring. Березень, March. The word comes from береза, a birch. Береза begins to bloom this month. Квітень, April. Квітень is derived from квітнути, to flower, to blossom. Some trees begin to bloom and smell very nice. Травень, May. The name of this month is connected with the word трава, grass. The grass is growing, it becomes totally green, and people are happy to walk barefoot at fields. Літо. Summer. Червень. June. It is similar to the adjective червоний, which means red. Both terms червоний and червень are derived from the same little bug, черв, черв'як. In English, it's a Polish cochinille, which was used to produce the red dye. It was gathered by people in June, червень, hence the name. There are so many tasty red berries in червень. Red, червоний, is the main symbol of this month. Липень, July. Липень comes from липа, a linden. The smell of lipa, linden tree, in the middle of the summer is everywhere. Серпень, August. In the old good times, Ukrainians gathered the harvest of grain crops with serp, a sickle. This was hard work, and serp for some time became a symbol of Ukrainian peasantry. Осінь, autumn. Вересень, September. Remember those tiny violet flowers which grow so wonderfully in Scotland? This is Veres, heather. The beginning of autumn is the best time for enjoying and gathering it in Ukraine. And please note, Вересень and березень are different months. Veres grows in autumn and береза grows in spring. Жовтень, October. Like червень, this month is named after the color. In autumn, nature becomes golden, and the color of leaves is жовтий, yellow. Листопад, November. This word has two parts. Лист, листок, a leaf, і пад, падати, to fall. Листопад is when the leaves are falling. Now you know the Ukrainian months. Do you find them unique? What is your favorite month? Okay, let's repeat the months of the year one more time. Are you ready? Січень, лютий, березень, квітень, травень, червень, липень, серпень, вересень, жовтень, листопад, грудень. And now we are going to play a game. Now if I say to you вересень, do you know what months we're talking about? Yes, you're perfectly correct. Вересень means September. Вересень. And if I say червень, червень. Yes, дуже добре. Червень means June. Червень, June. And how about January in Ukrainian? January. January is січень. Січень. Дуже добре. And one more. March. March in Ukrainian. And it's березень. Березень. Well done. Дуже добре. And the last one. October. October in Ukrainian. October. October is жовтень. 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 Very well. Дуже добре. And now here is another game. I will name you a month and you'll have to tell me which month will come next. So, if I say April, you're going to say May, and so on. So, let's go on, and we'll do it in Ukrainian, obviously. Лютий. Лютий. Дуже добре. Березень. Березень comes after лютий. Remember that birch tree, береза. Here is another one. Червень. Червень. Дуже добре. Липень. Липень comes after червень. And another tree, липа, a linden. And another one, жовтень. Жовтень. Чудово. Wonderful. Листопад comes after жовтень. A time when leaves are falling. Листопад. And one more month. Липень. Липень. Well done. Серпень. Серпень comes after липень. Серпень. Серп. A sickle. And the last one. Грудень. Грудень. Дуже добре. Січень comes after грудень. Січень, which січе, cuts our skin. Ugly. Brr. Okay, now you're doing so well. Why don't you repeat one last time the month of the year? Here we go. Зима. Грудень. Січень. Лютий. Весна. Березень. Квітень. Травень. Літо. Червень. Липень. Серпень. Осінь. Вересень. Жовтень. Листопад. Well done. Remember to practice, practice and practice even more. That's it for now. До побачення, друзі. Goodbye, friends. And слава Україні!